Glad he's happy.
It's a weekend getaway. Reel 2 is now locked with free X file.
Oh, nothing. Hey.
Shortcut.
Now, mind you, it doesn't have a SIM card. I don't know what it's complaining about. SIM cards are difficult because they are very small. If you're not careful, you're going to lose your phone. SIM card, that would not be a good idea to remove it.
Also good numbers. 5. Awesome.
Not unless you absolutely know what you're doing, they're too small.
You get a
My nieces and nephews, yeah, it might be a good idea to show up over here and I'll show you how to do it. $600,000. Bad luck on the bonus. And no, force of habit. That's what I end up with. So apparently I have fixed one specific problem.
time to get a career.
Interesting. Did not know I could do it naturally, but there you go.
Score. You're a pro athlete. Get married and a pet.
How is that not a bad thing? Oh well, what do I know? Don't answer that. Don't even comment about it.
Awesome.
At least this is keeping your uncle out of trouble.
You get a
And nobody needs to know my family status. Thank you very much, guys. Nice try, but no. You guys don't want to be my cameraman? I don't want you to tell anybody about me. Comment about the video. Comment about future topics I should be covering.
It's a weekend getaway. Reel 2 is now locked with free X file.
Yeah, how about, yeah, about time. You didn't do that last time, did you? I wonder if it knows that. Because it did give out a bonus. And it looked high to me, but maybe Grandma used to come up with a theory. She used to think there was that the slot machine actually knew how much money it gave out, and if it didn't give out enough, it would give out a bigger bonus soon after the first one. I haven't been able to prove that yet. $2 million. It looks like 4.4. Okay, that was about 2.5 times bigger. one more time. They're probably popular in corporate casinos, probably not in standalone, smaller casinos. Probably difficult to install and maintain. So you mean to tell me that this 3-reel slot has a TV screen over the reels? Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll go with that. And it looks like I'm getting small hits. Right around 140 million. This would not be a good idea for me to actually bet high. If I did that, most of the time it doesn't do anything. And then I have to increase my prize pile again. That's a shame the wilds are hanging off the top. So I missed them by 2 spaces. I'd play it, but I don't usually have enough money to play maximum bet. I have a funny feeling this is like Monopoly Big Wheel, where you could play it lower, but it doesn't do anything unless it doesn't do the bonuses unless you're betting max. It does the bonuses here because the minimum bet is actually maximum bet already, so yeah, it'll do it on the internet, but in real life, you probably have to play maximum to actually get the bonus feature, the bonus spins, the bonus round. Because I do like it doesn't have card symbols, but all these little payouts, are telling me that maybe that you have to play maximum to get the bonus feature. Well, by that sound, we're out of time. Completed the quest. And hey man, we gotta fix the speakers for 91. Yeah, okay, Cash. Take the earplugs out. Of course. Please don't start at the ghost. Yes, start at the ghost symbol. What? You know, it might be too tedious to actually have the camera start where you are. You know, in real life, you blow out the first pair of speakers, and you probably have to go buy another one. Oh yeah, the speakers are fixed, man. The place is ready to rock, you know? Come on, let's open it, man. Come on. Anyway, it's 105,000. Yeah, thank you so much, Eddie. Yeah. You finally stopped the ringing in the ears, and the sound checks are ready to go, right? Yeah. Woo! Let's get this party started, yeah. And then everybody thinks he's walking around in a tux. He walks around in that tuxedo to make sure he doesn't get dirty. Yeah, well, let's light the stage up and get this place going. So we're gonna open up Tennessee Avenue in the next episode. To my nieces and nephews and anybody else who has been fortunate enough to actually gotten this far, I will see you all in the next video.